Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In MAINTAINX app review, we explain the quick overview, the strength and the weakness about this platform. So to get started, MAINTAINX is a mobile-first maintenance work order management app built for teams in industries like manufacturing, facilities, hospitalities, and logistics. It helps businesses manage work orders, preventive maintenance, asset tracking, and team communication in all one places. The app is known for being user-friendly and highly interface with work well on both desktop and mobile. The app strength includes the real-time messaging, photo and file attachment for work order, and checklist-based workflow that ensure tasks are completed correctly. Its mobile usability and built-in dashboard tools make it especially helpful for teams that need to manage maintenance across multiple locations or departments. However, it has some limitations, advanced reporting features, and mostly locked behind type plans, and user occasionally reports minor bugs in the mobile app. It also requires some onboarding times for teams and clear to digital CMMS2. MaintainX is ideal for mid-sized business or growing operations like a digital maintenance and streamlined workflow. It has solid, scalable tools with excellent usability, though the team needing deep custom reporting or inventory tools, and they might need to upgrade to a type plan.